Today, let us discuss the benefits of a loyalty member connected to ModiCare. Suppose a person is coming and purchasing products from ModiCare. If he is a loyalty member, what are the benefits he is enjoying? First of all, let us consider who is a loyalty member. If somebody is purchasing from the range of 2,500 to 5,000 rupees from this company will consider the average of 6 months purchase and company will provide the average value as a free gift to the customer. So that is a loyalty customer. Apart from that, what are the benefits he is enjoying? Let us consider. So first, let us assume that he is purchasing products worth of 3,000 and he is getting the product worth of 3,600. So he is getting a benefit of 600 at the purchase itself. The second thing, we are giving almost every month 10% offer. So as a result, he will get 300 rupee worth of products free. So total 900 rupees. And we have a 12-month loyalty benefit system. Whereas if he purchased 3,000 for 6 months, 7th month he is getting 3,000 rupee worth of products free. And once he completes next 6 months, again he is getting 3,000 rupee worth of products free. And still, since he has completed 12 months without any break, company is giving additional loyalty benefit of 3,000 once again. So total he is getting 9,000 rupee worth of products. And if we consider on a monthly basis, 9,000 out of 12 months, that means every month he is getting a benefit of 750 if you reduce it to 1 month. And since he is purchasing at the price of 3,000, naturally the points will be around 1,500. We call it business volume. And minimum slab is 7%. So minimum he is going to get 105. And if he is more than 7%, according to that he is getting in his bank account. So minimum 105 rupee he will get. So total if you consider it is 1,755, approximately 60%. If it is 1,800, it is 60%. So 60% relates to a very huge amount. For example, if he is purchasing a product worth of 30 rupees, for example our soap is costing at 30 rupees, actual value will become just 12 rupees after the discount. And if you are going for a purchase of 50 rupees, the purchase price will become 20 rupees. And if you are going for a purchase of 100 rupee, the 100 rupee value will become after the 60% discount, it is 40 rupees. So if you are going for a purchase of 1,000 rupees, you are actually incurring a cost of 400 only. This is a huge reduction in terms of your day-to-day affair. So you are going to get a big benefit out of becoming a loyalty customer with the ModiCare. And this offer is fantastic. No other company can give you such a big offer. Apart from this offer, it gives you a referral income also. So as a customer, you are benefited maximum, and as a referral person, you are getting maximum benefits from this company. So you share this with maximum people and enjoy the maximum benefits and help others also enjoy the maximum benefits with ModiCare. And let's make this world a wonderful place to live. Thank you.